Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Toyota Corolla front bumper, updated. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent electrical shorts and lift the hood to access fasteners. Remove plastic clips from the wheel wells and lower splash shield first, then unbolt visible screws along the bumper edge. Keep parts organized in labeled containers and take photos to speed reassembly and avoid confusion later on. Begin at the top edge and remove all bolts securing the bumper to the radiator support, then work toward the wheel wells. Use a trim tool to pry out clips carefully to avoid breaking them, and collect each fastener type separately. Check behind each wheel for hidden screws and undo them, supporting the bumper as you remove last bolts so it does not fall and damage the paint or grille. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more car tutorials. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for downtime while waiting for paint to cure or parts to arrive, with a glare-free display and long battery life that fits right in a glove box. I've been reading manuals and repair guides on it for convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Once fasteners are removed and connectors unplugged, have an assistant support the bumper to prevent scratches while you lift it off the mounts. Gently pull outward from each corner to free retaining tabs, then slide the bumper forward to clear the front end. Lay the bumper on a soft surface to inspect for damage and replace broken clips or tabs so the new or repaired bumper fits snugly during reinstallation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.